Welcome
to the Haugen Creative
Workshop series.
As a company, we've travelled to over 20 countries to film, and have had the pleasure to work with many companies and well-known brands such as Glasses.com, Fiat, Twitter, eBay and more. In this workshop series, it's our goal to take you through everything we've learned over the past 10 years in video, so you can shave years off learning the hard way. We'll cover our entire process and secrets from pre-production to post-production, including finding the right clients for you, building strategic pricing, what equipment to buy and what not to buy,
tips on directing and working with talent,
organizing a workflow and creating a good system that works for you,
And how to market yourself and use social media to your advantage.
and much more. You'll also see behind the scenes and see how we operate our shoots and work with clients. Whether you consider yourself a beginner or have been in the game for a while now, we feel like we have valuable tips to share with everyone. Also included in our workshop is some downloadable content such as client contract template, film burns, and a travel checklist.
We're really excited to share these secrets with you.
I'm so excited to share what I've learned with you.
So purchase here
purchase here.
Purchase here.
and we'll see you inside.